media app X wants to become a super app and expand its reach with plans to release a payment system later this year. The CEO of X, Linda Yaccarino, posting that X Money will, quote, connect you in ways never thought possible, X TV, X Money, Rock, and more. Elon Musk has not yet publicly commented on the launch, but an official X Money account was created this month and already has more than 140,000 followers.
Hey, what's up, bull runners? Welcome back to the channel. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a world where your investments not only grow, but thrive in an ecosystem designed just for you. Now open your eyes because that world is closer than you think. There's a silent revolution happening in the DeFi markets, but there's one problem: the stability and interoperability of your assets. But here's the solution. Ripple has just partnered with Chainlink, enhancing their RLUSD stablecoin, making it a powerhouse in the DeFi space. And guess what? XRP isn't just surviving, it's thriving, especially in South Korea, where it's the most preferred coin over Ethereum. But you need to act fast. The market doesn't wait, and neither should you. This partnership isn't just news, it's game changer that's happening right now, reshaping the future of crypto as we speak. And if you stick with me till the end, I'm also going to give you guys a sneak peek into Altcoin Pro, our new crypto community platform, where you can connect with like-minded investors, share insights, and get extra information on your decisions in real time. And in this video, we are also going to be checking out the XRP charts. We're also going to be checking out X for all the breaking news that's happening in the crypto world right now. We'll dive deep into the Ripple partnership with Chainlink and how South Korea could be the catapult for crypto XRP. But first, let's start off over here at CoinMarketCap. How is the health of the crypto market today? As we know, it has been a pullback for today. Current market cap sitting at $3.37 trillion. It is down as a full whole 5.84%. Fear and greed is starting to tick up right now, sitting at a 66. Last week, it got all the way down to a 48, sitting in that neutral spot. Last month, when we were pumping, we got all the way up to 82. Yesterday, we were sitting at 60, so it's been a move to the upside. Obviously, some people scared today. What the heck happened? We'll dive into that as well. People definitely getting spooked. Altcoin season index down to 46. Yesterday was sitting at a 53. Last week, 47. So far, last month, our high was 83 altcoin season. Top 100 coins performance over the last 90 days. We'll cover our top 8, starting with Virtual, who is up 6,300%. That's right, 6,300. Fartcoin up 1,698. Pengu up 649. Hype up 633. BGB up 522. HBAR up 477. XLM 367 to the upside. XRP 334% to the upside over the last 90 days. And for those of you waiting for the altcoin super cycle to start, Bitcoin dominance is still sitting at 56.8. So we're waiting for the real true altcoin season to kick off because it's not here yet. And the top 5 trending coins today on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin sitting at 96,000. Yesterday it was up over 102,000, so a significant drop today. XRP sitting at 228, Ethereum 3377, Sonic at 105, up 76% today. Dogecoin coming in at number 5, down 9%. Now, this was a pretty unexpected dump. In fact, we've got quite a few people spreading the word over on X. They have no idea what the heck happened. This dump came out of nowhere. I've been studying technical analysis since I was a kid, and honestly, there were no signals. If anyone predicted this, you're 100% genius, because it was pure market manipulation that nobody could see coming. Lil Bubble says, I dropped a video of an extravagant $100,000 party with the song called Going Up. There were signs, I'm sorry to all involved. And then he writes back, when I think about it, that is just too obvious. And this one here from Chimp Phone, fully liquidated on everything. It's effing over. Speaking of liquidations, just in $205 million liquidated from the cryptocurrency in the past 60 minutes. That was from this morning. And just so you are aware, still, in my personal opinion, we are bullish on the weekly. We are bullish on the daily. We are having some pullbacks. But take a look at this one here. Everything is programmed. Prices don't fall because of people selling. Prices don't pump because of people buying. The fact is that people still think it is comical. Everything is programmed. And that is in response to Alley Cat Man saying, can anyone explain how the entire crypto market drops at the exact same time? I understand it follows Bitcoin, but it doesn't follow. It happens at the same time. I don't get it. On a more positive side of things, latest U.S. Federal Reserve Michael Barr is set to resign as vice chair for supervision. Some crypto industry executives have viewed Barr as a key reason why many U.S. banks have been hesitant to offer services to crypto firms. As he once said, the Federal Reserve likely view it as unsafe and unsound for banks to directly own crypto assets on their balance sheets. So getting rid of more anti-crypto people in the bureaucracy, great news for crypto. Also, big news today, not necessarily crypto exactly, but crypto adjacent because of all the new AI agents. I watched the entire presentation by NVIDIA on their new computer they're launching, all their new projects with AI coming together. Breaking, NVIDIA announces Project Digit's personal computer at $3,000 that is approximately 1,000 times more powerful than the average laptop. The device is powered by an NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip, which houses separate linked components on a single chip to reduce the time it takes to move data between them. The super chip features an NVIDIA Blackwell graphics card and an NVIDIA Grace processor packaged with 128 gigabytes of memory and 4 terabytes of SSD storage. They did also launch 4 new laptops that you can take a look at as well. Also, positive news for crypto. Just in, the Czech Republic Central Bank considers purchasing Bitcoin as reserve assets. So, Grok, tell me the national banks, the central banks that are considering Bitcoin. So now we add Czech National Bank to that list. We have Swiss National Bank, Hong Kong, and Germany, and Brazil. The general trend is there's an observable trend where nations are evaluating Bitcoin's potential as a reserve asset, with considerations of its role in national reserves being discussed by government and central banks globally. Ripple partners with Chainlink to boost RLUSD stablecoin in the DeFi markets. Ripple has partnered with Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network, to improve the adoption and utility of its Ripple RLUSD stablecoin in decentralized finance applications. The collaboration announcement came today, which will provide price feeds for RLUSD on Ethereum and XRP Ledger, which aim to support cost-effective transactions and DeFi use cases for the enterprise-grade stablecoin. RLUSD is pegged to the US dollar and will receive tamper-proof and accurate data from Chainlink through its decentralized nodes. The integration is designed to reduce risks of manipulation and downtime. Ripple's RLUSD is backed 1-to-1 by the US dollar and is designed to facilitate cost-effective and secure transactions for payments, trading, lending, and other DeFi use cases. As a key component of its vision for blockchain-based finance, the integration with Chainlink ensures real-time, high-quality market data on the stablecoin is available around the clock, Ripple said. This consistent data will support smart contracts, mitigate manipulation or price inaccuracy risks, and help developers incorporate RLUSD into their applications, the company added. What are the DeFi implications? Well, stablecoins like RLUSD bridge traditional finance and blockchain technology by facilitating fast, low-cost, borderless payments. These assets play a critical role in DeFi, serving as a store of value, a hedge against market volatility, and a medium of exchange. Ripple's adoption of Chainlink's data standards support its move into DeFi markets, with the partnership aiming to accelerate RLUSD adoption. We also have a post here from Ripple, the company. Ripple Chainlink RLUSD has adopted the Chainlink standard for verifiable data to fuel DeFi adoption with real-time secure pricing data. Now, there are also rumors going around and getting louder and louder that Elon Musk will be launching X money payment system using XRP. So rumors of X adopting XRP as payment could drive massive demand. Analysts predict this move might surge XRP's value directly to $100, making a key moment for investors.
Media app X wants to become a super app and expand its reach with plans to release a payment system later this year. The CEO of X, Linda Yaccarino, posting that X Money will, quote, connect you in ways never thought possible, XTV, X Money, Grok, and more. Elon Musk has not yet publicly commented on the launch, but an official X Money account was created this month and already has more than 140,000 followers.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin. In this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and it's currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers.
XRP is the most preferred coin in South Korea, ahead of Ethereum. Based on the ranking of the top assets by these respondents, Bitcoin retained the top spot as the most preferred. Obviously, we know the industry leader. Following Bitcoin is XRP before Ethereum, a unique twist that shows the popularity of the former in the region. Over the past few months, the retail market in South Korea has played a pivotal role in fueling the demand for XRP. Upbit has always been known to see intense outflows of XRP amid defined buying pressure, with evidence of bigger play over the past month. The impact on the coin's price remains evident. While the XRP retail market remains primed to boost the coin's acquisition, Ethereum is still the favorite in institutional adoption. However, this tide is poised to change once the potential launch of the XRP ETF product this year. Firms like Bitwise and WisdomTree are pushing for the product on optimism that the new leadership of the US SEC Pro Crypto, if granted, the XRP ETF will form a new avenue for investors to gain regulated exposure to the coin. With the RLUSD stablecoin poised to complement XRP and Ripple Labs' payment ecosystem, the odds of outperforming key rivals like Ethereum remain high. Taking a quick look at XRP in the charts, we are in our new weekly candle here. 5 days, 1 hour left in this candle, so relatively new. What we're running into is this $2.47 resistance. Now, where does this one come from? It's actually the wick of the candle that came to us from December 25th of 2017. So I went ahead and drew a line on the wick of this candle, and that has been our really difficult position for a long-term resistance, keeping us from making that move to the upside of $3.31, new all-time high. Now, we've also been using our 3-day spider line chart here to keep track of supports and resistance as well. Now, currently, as you can see, we have created a nice triangle pattern. Unfortunately, we're looking at 3-day candles. So this candle came to us from January 4th, tipped right off, adding a third touch point on our resistance to the upside. And if we zoom way out in the timeline as far as dates go, the blue line is going to be a support level for us within the triangle. The blue line comes to us from January 19th, 2018. Above that, we have our green line, which just acted as a resistance from January 22nd, 2018. And then we have our pink line, which is where we are hoping to go next, which is above our breakout zone. So blue line acting as a support right now, as well as our 10 3-day exponential moving average. So this is the 3-day candles. It's our 10 exponential moving average on that one. Coming into a double support here. We would love to see this bounce back up, break out of this level. We do not really need to see a return to the bottom of the triangle pattern. However, that is a possibility of happening. Zooming out even further, we can go to our weekly spider line. And instead of every 3 days, these candles come to us every single week. And they also come from the 2017-18 run up and down. And as we can see, it has been a great historical support and resistance up and down. So right now we're on a daily candle. We do have a support level right below us here, $2.22. We did unfortunately bounce off of this resistance, $2.47. That also comes from us from the wick of all the way back in 2017 as well. So where we're at right now is some very, very key historical resistance levels. As far as momentum goes, we are still showing very positive momentum with money flow being above the zero line and it's green. So money flow is still coming in. The one thing we did talk about a couple of days ago was this rounding of our momentum wave here. So typically we want to see the momentum wave shoot straight up to the top. But as soon as it crossed the zero line, you can see right here, it started to round off. And unfortunately, today we got a red dot. Our last red dot came to us December 18th, and then we had a pullback on the price. So we'll continue to monitor this over the next couple of days. We do have this support here, $2.24, $2.22. Red dot. Let's see if we can just maintain this, trade sideways, flip this back, positive momentum to the upside, get us a new green dot, and make our move to the upside. Now, as we can see here, there's some bullish signs in this. This is the daily, but our momentum, as you can see what I'm talking about here, we're pumping up. I just removed the money flow indicator so it's not in the way. We moved up and we really surged to the top, okay? We maintained this surge for multiple weeks. And as you can see right now, we are starting to lose that momentum to the downside. In fact, it went all the way back under the center line, came back up. Now, the reason that this is still bullish, because as we see, price has maintained a sideways movement versus the extreme drop that our momentum has dropped. When we add the money flow back into our charts, we can see that we just came out of a big money flow to the downside. Red switched over finally into the green. Now, right now, unfortunately, we are starting to lose that momentum. So it's going to be very, very important that we get some more volume back into the crypto markets as a whole. This is not just an XRP scenario here, but these are now weekly candles. And as you can see, nearly all of our indicators are sloping to the downside. Due to the fact that we are above this zero line here, though, the momentum wave is above it. Money flow is green, still above it. That indicates we are still in bullish posture on these higher time frames. Ideally, what we would like to see happen is price continue to do this here, just trading sideways. We don't want to lose this support level. This momentum wave is going to continue to come down. We would like it to be a little smaller momentum wave on the downside, creating this nice divergence along this pattern. So we have the big wave here, and then we got our smaller wave here, indicating momentum surging to the upside. And we can see price make its way back to the up. Also heading over to CoinGlass to take a look at what's going on in the inflow outflow for us. So we've been tracking this very much so. So the green is when people are putting XRP onto exchanges. Now, why would someone put XRP onto an exchange? So that way they could sell it. So as you can see, we had a lot of people putting XRP on the exchange when we were reaching that most recent high. And then people started taking profits, as we know. As of recently, though, you can see people are taking their XRP purchases off of exchanges. And in fact, we just had a massive net outflow yesterday, January 6th, of $60 million. That's net. Now, there was obviously positive and negative happening here on that day, but net outflows. People took XRP off of exchanges and put it into their wallets, $60 million worth. So at this point, everyone's very excited. We got a little pullback. We want to pump some money into the market. However, where do we get more money? We need more capital. How do I get more dry powder to put into the market? We'll take a look at this.
Hey bull runners, this is super time sensitive, especially if you're looking to stack more crypto before the bull run is over. Did you know that Visa and MasterCard lost a $5.5 billion class action lawsuit for imposing unfair fees on merchants and business owners. So if you own a business, or if you know any business owners that process payments with Visa or MasterCard between 2004 and 2019, that's 15 years, you could actually be owed a refund of 1 to 1.5% of your total revenue from that period. That's a lot of money. For example, this business that generated 1.6 million in credit card revenue during those years is getting back $28,000. This business that generated over 7 million is getting back $93,000. And this business that generated over $20 million during those years is getting back over $320,000. That's money they didn't even know was on the table. And all they did was fill out a form through the link below this video. It literally takes less than a minute to see if you qualify, but you don't want to wait too long because the deadline to file is February 4th, 2025. So the sooner that you fill out the form below, the sooner that you can reclaim what's rightfully yours. Plus, if you don't have a business, you can actually earn 3% by referring businesses that do qualify by creating your affiliate account through the link below. So this is a no-brainer way to get money back in your pocket to use for your business, or if you want to use it for crypto or other assets to invest in, you can do that. So click the link below. Let's get you paid.